January 28, 2020, at 8 p.m. So the line is not too bad over here in Xing Fu Tang. So I'm gonna order something and bring it home for everyone.
The tiger one, I mean, they all do the same thing. Yeah. The only difference is this one, like they're making fun of you, making like more like they show exactly how they do it. Okay.
Thank you for that great explanation here.
But this one,
So they dedicated one girl just to do this sauce scooping and cup lining thing work. And they bring a truckload of whole organic milk. So you know it's the good stuff. Cups after cups after cups of brown sugar. Also, behind the girl is that boba cutting machine. So they have this whole dough block, and they put the top a hopper, and it just goes down, and the blade cuts it into like tiny little cubes. Then they cook it, which is not shown here. I don't see them anywhere. So this is their menu, and 2 items already sold out, but their signature items, which is the one on the bottom left, the one on the upper left is actually the same thing, but with a gold foil on top. So I don't know, it's probably not something that everybody gold foil, right? If we like it, we might come back and try the rest. 我珍珠奶茶是珍珠鲜奶。So the signature drink is actually not 奶茶, which is milk tea, but 鲜奶, which is just milk. So you have brown sugar boba with milk. That's the drink. The milk tea was how it used to be made, but now they can skip the tea. The signage showing just to give it a little ambience, so everybody's happy with this drink.哦，2个黑糖珍珠鲜奶，给我1个热的，1个冷的。
1个热的，1个冷的。
啊。
这一共收13块5，13块5。
好的，收卡吗？
可以。可以来个热的。谢谢。
感谢。给你。So I just noticed this second pan though to hold the black sugar syrup. So in case it got busier, right? So the whole bill came to $14 and change after I tipped the girl. And let's just say boba tea used to be a lot cheaper. So they put additional brown sugar on top and give it a little brulee treatment. Ah? 怎么做？就随便拿一道。OK。啊，谢谢。3000。OK。 That's legit. Yep, you can see how many people are working at this place. It's very busy, even though it's not as busy as before. When you see that Tiger Sugar used to have a line that stretches for hours, but I think most people have tried these black sugar drinks, so that kind of took the heat away from all the stores. So you kind of think of it this way, that the supply kind of matches the demand, especially with Tiger Sugar opened another 2 stores, one at Brooklyn and one in Chinatown. The story I heard is that some people used to line up outside the Flushing Tiger Sugar and then bring it out to Manhattan, Chinatown for friends. I'm here. 884?
Do you need a bag?
Yes, please.
82? Just go like this way.
That's a cold one?
No, just go like this way, I think.
Okay. Oh, I have 2.
Yeah, that one is big.
Okay.
You have 2?
Yeah, I have我是884，我有两杯。
你有884号的小票吗？
是一个冷的，一个热的。
一个冷的，一个热的。
我没拿错吧？
你知道吗？然后走的路在家里走能碰住鼻子。
82号。
开车往外停。今儿天早上叫你多少
82号。
赶紧讲我撵。
882号。
在天河路上盘。
我要转一下，好，谢谢。
喝之前摇脚18下。
好好。Okay. Make sure you stir 18 times before you drink. So once you bring it home, the brulee layer is gone. The marbling sugar is also settled to the bottom. And this is a bad demonstration. Definitely you need to hold the cup with the other hand and not just put down your camera to do this. See, this is not gonna work, so remember, come on, put down the camera. So overall, the drink is not too sweet despite all the sugar that I put in. The boba actually is a lot sweeter than other brands, and but I like the way they present the drink, so it's really good. I like it. We'll go back again. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.